Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate your AT&T eSIM on your iPhone. So first of all, we need to go to the settings. We need to click search in the top and we need to write eSIM. And then you will see this option which is called add eSIM. So we need to click it and then we need to wait a few seconds and we will see this pop up right here. So there are two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. So we can transfer it from nearby iPhone or we can just use the QR code option. So when you click use QR code, it will activate your camera, guys, and you need to scan the QR code. But if you want to enter the details manually, you can click this button in the bottom. And right here, you can enter SMDP plus address, activation code, and confirmation code, but this is optional, guys. Then click next in the top right and you will activate your AT&T eSIM on your iPhone. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.